How to change Crunchyroll account password. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Now to begin with this process, make sure Crunchyroll is up to date in your mobile device. In order to assure that, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Crunchyroll. Now in here, make sure the application is up to date. If there is any update button, just tap on it and leave your application for an update. After which you can tap open your Crunchyroll application for your device. Now if you want to change your account password, it takes couple of steps. At the bottom of the dashboard, navigate to account. Scroll down. Under membership, you will see the option of password. Just click on it. Now, in order to change a password, you need to enter your current password. After which, you can type in your new password, and after the confirmation, just hit on the change password button. After which, you'll be able to change your Crunchyroll account password. If you face any of the difficulty regarding it, you can reach out to the help and support of Crunchyroll. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.